Hey, what is up, you guys? Hey, man, last night I was out here watering my lawn. I didn't have my phone on me to record anything, so I didn't have no intentions on recording nothing. So this ain't like no camera tricks, no sound effects, and nothing. You guys listen to this clip from my Ring. I caught it on my Ring app. Y'all tell me what y'all think this is. What is that? Now keep in mind, I'm only out here watering my lawn. This ain't no camera tricks or no sound effects. If anybody knows what that is, please let me know. It freaked me. He got a little bit. You see, I didn't waste no time. Once I thought about it, I said, let me get my tail up in the house. I don't know. I don't think it's no Bigfoot or nothing, but something's out there.